Fuel pump. Starting the engine, okay? Don't be loud.
543.
Thank you, Kavya. That was very helpful.
543 Bravo Zulu, free exchange approved. See ya. Yeah.
Alright, can you say something to me?
Oh.
Good job. Keep it there. That's the mic, okay?
Okay.
Is it loud enough?
Yeah.
Okay, you can hear up, alright, Kavya?
Yeah.
Peachtree Ground, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta at the north ramp with information Tango IFR.
66 Romeo Delta, Peachtree Ground, cleared to Hilton Head Airport via Vectors, Colliers, direct, maintain 3,000, expect 7,000, 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 126.907, squawk 7116. 66 Romeo Delta, roger from the north ramp, runway 3 left, taxi via Alpha, via Delta, Alpha, cross runway 34, and advise run up complete.
Delta Alpha cross runway 34, advise run up complete for 6 Romeo Delta. This is going to runway 3 left. Is it too windy, Kavya?
Yeah. I need the wind.
Okay. You see that, Kavya? That's the control tower.
Yeah.
The tall one?
The tall one?
Yeah, it's over there.
Ramp, ready to taxi.
Right here?
Yes.
Tango.
Okay.
Look, there's one more airplane coming in our way.
Wow. That
Yes.
airplane.
Look, there's an airplane landing there.
Wow. That airplane.
Yeah.
It's done flying?
Yeah, I guess so.
Citation 5 Alpha Foxtrot, Peachtree Ground.
Yes, ma'am, we're at signature. We're ready to taxi with...
Papa's gonna do a run up, okay? It's gonna be a little bit loud.
Okay. When are we going to fly?
Alpha cross.
Peachtree Ground, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, run up complete.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, roger. I'm going to have you hold your position in the run-up area of a couple jets. I'm going to have go out in front of you.
Roger, 6 Romeo Delta.
Thank you. Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, first there's going to be a Challenger that goes by. A Sears is going to go into the area, and then a Citation. Behind the Citation, second jet. I want you to continue your runway 3
When
left.
are we going?
Have a good day.
Behind the citation, continue to runway 3 left, 6 Romeo Delta.
When are we going to fly?
So look, you see 1, 2, 3, we're going to be 4. So that airplane is going to take off first.
And then there will be the second one.
Yes.
And the third one. And now are we going to go after the third one?
Yes.
Okay.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, give me a no delay, cross runway 3 left, no delay.
Cross runway 3 left, no delay, 6 Romeo Delta.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, runway heading, runway 3 right, clear for takeoff.
Runway 3 right, clear for takeoff for 6 Romeo Delta, runway heading for now.
Number 3690 Echo, left enable, contact ground point 6. Left enable, lower to ground, precision, 3690 Echo. November 18841, runway 3 left, clear for takeoff, left turn to the northwest is approved, parallel traffic, runway heading. 18841, clear to takeoff, 3 left. Number 76743 Foxtrot, Beach Tower, runway 3 right, clear to land. Clear ramp, land 3 right, 43 Foxtrot. Number 6 Romeo Delta, runway heading, contact Atlanta departure.
Contact departure for 6 Romeo Delta. Plan departure, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, runway heading PDK.
Number 66 Romeo Delta, Atlanta departure, IDENT, climb maintain 4,000.
Ident and 4000 for 6 Romeo Delta.
Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, ready to contact a mile north of PDK, show you leaving 2,200.
6 Romeo Delta, we're leaving 2200.
Number 66 Romeo Delta, proceed direct to Colliers.
Proceed direct to Collier, 6 Romeo Delta. So we're going to be in the clouds for a little bit, okay, Kavya? Looks good, the CHT looks good. Looks good, 3,500, 4,000 to go.
Number 66 Romeo Delta, would you like 5,000 as a final today, or did you want to go all the way up to 7?
I can stay at 5,000, but if it's IMC, I'll try to climb to 7,000.
Number 66 66 Romeo Delta, roger. Just maintain 4,000 for now and see if I can work something out for you.
4,000 for now, 6 Romeo Delta. Are you okay, Bomai? Kavya, are you okay?
Yeah.
For 66 Romeo Delta, proceed direct Hilton Head.
Proceed direct to Hilton Head, 6 Romeo Delta.
For 66 Romeo Delta, climb maintain 7,000.
Climb maintain 7,000 for 6 Romeo Delta.
For 66 Romeo Delta, change my frequency 128.57.
128.57 for 6 Romeo Delta.
Romeo Delta, 66 Romeo Delta, contact Jack Center 132.93.
132.93, 6 Romeo Delta. Acceleration at level 66 Romeo Delta, level 7,000.
665 Romeo Delta, Jack Center 1 altimeter 3008.
3008.
November 66 Romeo Delta is going to maintain 2,000.
Maintain 2,000. Javier. Outside. Javier. We're going to approach that.
Look at the river. Clouds, river.
Look at that, Javier. Look over there.
Snake river. Viral.
Visual approach is in use. Landing and departing, runway 3. Advise on initial contact.
Anybody operating in the center station?
About 5 miles to your northwest.
Gamma Jet 514, just going to maintain 3,000, fly heading 170 vectors to final. Number 66 Romeo Delta, Hilton Head is 11 o'clock and 10 miles advice when you get it in sight.
6 Romeo Delta is not inside, 6 Romeo.
You said you do have it in sight?
Negative, 6 Romeo Delta.
Roger. American 2725, turn left direct J. Ross.
Left to J. Ross, American 2725.
Gamma Jet 514, just going to maintain 2,000.
2,000, Gamma Jet 514.
November 6 Romeo Delta, Hilton Head's off your left wing. You're 1 to 2 o'clock and 5 miles advice when you have it in sight.
6 Romeo Delta will advise. I don't have it at this point.
Roger, sir.
Approach Grumman 66 Romeo Delta. I think we have the airport in sight.
November 66 Romeo Delta, roger, turn left heading 070, just let me know for sure when you have it in sight of the aircraft correction, and then I'll have clearance for you.
Left heading 070 and let you know for sure. Approach 6 Romeo Delta, we have the airport in sight.
November 66 Romeo Delta, roger, clear visual approach runway 3, Hilton Head, radar services are terminated, and contact Hilton Head Tower 118.97. Have a great day.
Contact Tower, 6 Romeo Delta, thanks for your help.
Anytime.
Hilton Head Tower, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta with you 3 miles southwest.
Vision 1, you're in sight and clear to land Alpha taxiway and proceed to the ramp.
Clear line Alpha, Vision 1.
Number 66 Romeo Delta Hilton Head Tower, runway 3, cleared to land. There's a helicopter making his approach to Alpha Taxiway. He's less than a mile out.
The helicopter inside, runway 3 clear to land, 6 Romeo Delta. Tower, wind check please.
Wind is 040 at 18, gust 25.
Thanks.
040.
Afternoon, Hilton Head Tower, Gamma Jet 514 on the visual, 3.
Jet 514, Hilton Head Tower. Following traffic over the threshold, runway 3, cleared to land.
Runway 3, clear to land, Gamma Jet 514.
Number 66 Romeo Delta, right turn off at Alpha 5 and taxi to the ramp this frequency.
Turn Alpha 5 and taxi to the ramp this frequency.
And no delay on down to Alpha 5 if you would, traffic about a mile final lap behind.
Roger, Grumman. Hi baby. Hey Kavya.
I mean, there may be a avoid it. This is a family difference.